Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel for all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all of those who've been rocking with me for a while. So we're just going to jump right in. I have a haul today, and I have some goodies from some friends, and just a little story about what happened today. So we had a ball today. We went shopping, as you can see. My girls and I, we had us a good time. We went shopping, but the fun thing that was so unique about it is it wasn't just our regular group, but we also had Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes. Hey Tanya, which was so cool. We got to meet up with her, and you know, I just love her spirit. She's such a sweetie. So anyway, it was such a good time going out to eat and taking pictures and going shopping and us enabling each other, which is, you know, what we do here in this crafty world. And then also, like, we gave each other some stuff. So this is from my girl Susie, Miss Susie Q. She gave me the Susie Q Crafter 21, and thank you, Susie. She gave me these tonic dyes. Look at that. Boom. Can nestle that and make me some shakers, or just make whatever, because they alternate between straight lines and wavy lines. And so in here is, how many in here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 dimes, and it's in a diamond. And then this set right here too, in the 6-piece, and this says happy birthday to you, make a wish, and celebrate. So you have the inner and the outer, so you have the shadow font to go along with it, and it's called Celebrate Summer Sentiment die set. So, and this is the layering die set. So thank you, Miss Susan. And then my girl Donna, she's on the Instagram, and I have everybody's channels linked below. She owed me some stuff, like, cause we even though we're in the same area, sometimes we don't get to give each other everything we're supposed to be doing, like we were doing swaps and challenges and stuff. But she sent me some of these. I love these right here. I'm a little nerd, and I actually have these in my books in my own personal library. I actually have library cards and pockets. Anybody that knows me that ever borrowed a book from me, they actually know that I'm like a bibliophile. So I love these. So thanks, Donna. I don't even know if you knew that. And then she owed me my puzzle piece, because we had did a puzzle piece a while back, and she had made it, and I saw it, but I hadn't had a chance to get it. So D, today is a new day, which is true, because Dawn is always a new day, right? Hey, thank you, Donna. And then this is the little bag that she put it into. How pretty is that? Very pretty, in that regal purple. So thank you. And then we also had a challenge a while back. This is just a challenge amongst us that we did, was a zine, and she had did zine, and she had forgot to send my copy when we met each other a couple times, because, you know, we meet up but we get to see, you know, swap stuff. And anyway, so we got it today. It says, you got some explaining to do, because, you know, this girl is shopping. Did I do that? Like Urkel. Miss it by that much. Don't treat me any differently than you would treat the queen. Hey, is that your final answer? This tape was self-destruct in 5 seconds. She got a retro TV, and it says, I know nothing. Nip it in the bud. So this was her zine that she made. If anybody knows what a zine is when you fold it down and you open it and close it like a little booklet. So thank you, Donna. That will be in my collection with my zines. I appreciate that. And like I said, we hung out and we had us a ball. Just having fun, talking trash, and laughing. And so this is from, actually 2 Michaels, the majority of it's from one, but then on my way home from our trip, it was like, we met up in a mutual city, which is, Tanya was staying in one city that I go frequent a lot, and so we met in the middle place, which was still an hour from our house, and like probably about an hour from where she's at. So we met in a neutral place so we could meet up and eat and hang out, and it was a delightful time. So I was very excited. So y'all check out her channel. I'm gonna have all my friends' channels in the link below, so you can go like and subscribe. So all of these was 70% off, which I know you guys have already seen the other hauls with them, but this is mine. So I got the seed beads, and I got them in the pinks and the greens and the yellows, and then I know I got another one around here as well. And this is in the more the pearlescent one. But both of these were $1.50. Look at that, from $5, 5.2 ounces, and that was $1.50. So, yeah, nice. I'll have enough of these for like forever. And then I did get these plastic puka shells. I know Sheba had got some of these. And so we got some of these too as well. I love all the colors, and these are plastic, but hey, these were $1.20. Nothing. The highest thing was like of this stuff was $1.80, I think, but these were $1.20 as well. This is some elastic thick cord. I only got this color. They had other colors as well. They also had the rope kind, but I didn't need all that. I just got this one, which was the gold, the pearlescent, and the silver. But they had the blue, the mermaid colors, all those kind of different stuff, but I only got this one. And then they had some shape beads, and I believe I got 2 of these. Yeah. So you see in here, there's the little triangles and the little spatial-like ones, and some hearts, I believe. Octagon shape. Yep, and stars and stuff, and hearts. So, you know, you can use these pretty much in any kind of jewelry, dangles, that kind of stuff. That's the only thing that wasn't pertaining to jewelry was this little clearance stickers, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and this was $1. And these are the hearts, like puffy enamels. Not quite enamel, but you know, puffy stickers. I did get 2 of these, and these are stars and hearts in here. You know, got 2 of those. Oh, I did get the other, see what I'm talking about? I did get the other cord. I thought I put that back. I hope I didn't pick up someone else's cord, because we put all our stuff in the same cart. But I put mine back, so I may have picked somebody's up. But this is purple, blue, and pink thick elastic cord, so I had to check with the ladies, see if I accidentally picked up one of theirs. Did get these wood pony beads. You know, your multiple colors in a couple different shapes. They're not all just round, there's some other shapes in here too. Majority are just the round ones, but maybe just one fluke in there. But I got that one. And then they had these wood faceted ones that kind of remind me of like hexagons or whatever, but yeah, so I got both of those wood ones, as well as this wood set, and this was $3.90. They had another one, a different wood set with the dotted wood beads. I couldn't get it, and I don't think I'm gonna go back and get it. You know, I could have, but I put it back because I don't know how much of the wood beads I'm going to use anyway. But they have the cords in here as well, but it's still a good deal for $3.90. I mean, even if you gift this to someone, if you got nieces and nephews or children that can play in some beads, get way to, you know, keep them occupied for the rest of summer. And this one right here, I believe was $1.80. I got these really because I just wanted some of these the beads on the end more so than those, which is nothing wrong with them, but I just like the ones on the end that have the little silver specks on them. So yeah. And I should have 2 of these. Yep. It says sweet, be kind, peace, and dream. So these are little charms for your bracelets, which would go along with this set right here. You know, you can make these in that. But these are the towel bead kits. And you can see these are different colors, and it's got the alphas in there as well. And again, it was $3.90 and it was $13. So, good deal. I did get this one, and again, this was $1.80 too. Just some of the different colors. And I really like these colors. This one has some hearts. I mean, excuse me, some stars. But I like the little different colored, pearlescent colored beads in here as well. So yeah, and this one's some hearts, and these have stars. And then I got this when I stopped at my store. These beads as well. And again, I'm sure you've seen all of these. And then I got these charms. I got 4 sets of charms. So this one is Feel Good. You got the Slurpee and the cupcake and the rainbow. You got the cactus, flamingo, a leaf, and I guess a flower or something. You can see that some other flowers. It says be kind and a bumblebee. And then the ice cream. And they had a couple more, some mermaids and some other stuff. I didn't need that, so I didn't get those. Then we went over to Joann's, which is on the other side of the parking lot. I just got the Hildy and Joe plastic beads. These was on sale, so I got those. And I can use these as bead caps or just regular beads. And then this was on clearance, and then it's supposed to be another 25% off. That's what made me get it. Donna showed me these, and I said, okay, so it's $247 with another 25% off. And so whatever that is what these just string of little owls came out to be. So that is what I got. I'm gonna go take this and put it all away. But anyway, so make sure you check out the ladies' channels that will be linked below. Awesome crafters, awesome ladies. And thanks for taking the time to stop by. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.